Hey, it's Nick with Badger's Rabbit Cookie, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the reverse and turn signal bulbs on a 2015 Honda Fit. First, you have to open the liftgate, and then you have to remove two screws located here and here. Then you can unseat the taillight. Up top is the plug for the LED brake lights, in the middle is the reverse bulb, and at the bottom is the turn signal bulb. Simply turn counterclockwise, and then you can remove the bulb. In my case, I'm replacing it with an LED bulb. Then just put it back in and turn clockwise. To reinstall the taillight, make sure that this pin fits into this hole, and this here has to slide into this clip. Then you simply have to screw back in the bolts. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos about my Fit.